Do you ever feel out of sync or unbalanced in your life? Imagine feeling aligned, energized, and at peace, with a sense of harmony flowing through your entire being. This is the essence of balanced chakras. Chakras are the energy centers within our bodies that play a crucial role in our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When our chakras are balanced, we experience enhanced health, a greater sense of happiness, and deeper spiritual connection. Today, we will explore 8 powerful techniques to balance your chakras, helping you achieve a state of equilibrium and inner peace. Chakras are spinning wheels of energy located along the spine, from the base to the crown of the head. There are 7 main chakras, each associated with specific physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of our being. The first chakra, the root chakra, is located at the base of the spine and is linked to our sense of security and grounding. The sacral chakra, situated below the navel, governs our creativity and emotional balance. The solar plexus chakra, located in the upper abdomen, is the center of our personal power and self-esteem. The heart chakra, found in the center of the chest, relates to love and compassion. The throat chakra, positioned at the throat, governs communication and self-expression. The third eye chakra, located between the eyebrows, is associated with intuition and insight. Finally, the crown chakra, at the top of the head, connects us to our higher self and spiritual consciousness. Balancing these chakras can lead to improved health, emotional stability, and spiritual growth. Let's delve into the first technique that can help us achieve this balance. Meditation is a powerful practice that can align and balance our chakras. By quieting the mind and focusing inward, we can connect with our energy centers and promote healing. To begin a chakra meditation practice, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight and close your eyes. Start by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you breathe, imagine a bright light at the base of your spine. This light represents the root chakra. Visualize this light spinning and expanding, becoming vibrant and balanced. Move your focus up to the sacral chakra, visualizing an orange light spinning and growing stronger. Continue this process for each chakra, moving up the spine to the solar plexus chakra, yellow light, the heart chakra, green light, the throat chakra, blue light, the third eye chakra, indigo light, and finally, the crown chakra, violet light. Spend a few minutes focusing on each chakra, allowing the light to expand and balance. As you finish, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Regular practice of chakra meditation can help you maintain balance and harmony in your energy centers. Yoga is another excellent way to balance your chakras. Each yoga pose or asana targets specific chakras, helping to open and align them. Practicing yoga regularly can enhance your physical strength, flexibility, and energy flow. For the root chakra, grounding poses like mountain pose, Tadasana, and warrior pose, Virabhadrasana, are beneficial. These poses help you feel stable and secure. To balance the sacral chakra, hip-opening poses like bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana, and pigeon pose, Ekapada Rajakapotasana, are effective as they release tension and promote creativity. For the solar plexus chakra, poses like boat pose, Navasana, and plank pose, Phalakasana, strengthen the core and boost self-confidence. Heart-opening poses like camel pose, Ustrasana, and bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana, can balance the heart chakra, fostering love and compassion. To balance the throat chakra, poses like fish pose, Matsyasana, and shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, are helpful as they open the throat and enhance communication. For the third eye chakra, poses like child's pose, Balasana, and downward-facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, can stimulate intuition and insight. Finally, for the crown chakra, poses like headstand, Sirsasana, and corpse pose, Savasana, can connect you to your higher self and promote spiritual awareness. Incorporating these poses into your yoga practice can help you achieve balanced and aligned chakras, leading to improved physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Sound healing is a powerful method to balance your chakras through the use of sound frequencies. Different sounds resonate with specific chakras, helping to align and harmonize them. You can use various sound healing tools such as chanting, singing bowls, and tuning forks to achieve this balance. Chanting mantras is a simple yet effective way to use sound healing. Each chakra has a corresponding seed mantra that can be chanted to activate and balance it. The root chakra is associated with the sound Lam, the sacral chakra with Vam, the solar plexus chakra with Ram, the heart chakra with Yam, the throat chakra with Ham, the third eye chakra with Om, and the crown chakra with the sound of silence or a gentle humming. To practice sound healing, sit in a comfortable position and take a few deep breaths. Begin chanting the seed mantra for the root chakra, focusing on the base of your spine. Feel the vibration of the sound resonating with the chakra, helping it to balance and align. Move up to the sacral chakra and chant its corresponding mantra, continuing this process for each chakra. Singing bowls and tuning forks are also effective tools for sound healing. Each bowl or fork is tuned to a specific frequency that corresponds to a particular chakra. By playing these instruments near your body, you can help balance and align your energy centers. The vibrations from the sound can penetrate deep into your body, promoting healing and harmony. Crystals are natural energy conductors that can help balance and align your chakras. Each crystal has its unique vibration that resonates with specific chakras. By using crystals, you can enhance your chakra healing practice and promote overall well-being. For the root chakra, red and black crystals like red jasper and black tourmaline are beneficial. These stones can help you feel grounded and secure. The sacral chakra resonates with orange crystals like carnelian and orange calcite, which can enhance creativity and emotional balance. For the solar plexus chakra, yellow crystals like citrine and yellow jasper can boost self-confidence and personal power. Green and pink crystals like rose quartz and green aventurine are excellent for the heart chakra, promoting love and compassion. The throat chakra is associated with blue crystals like lapis lazuli and blue lace agate, which enhance communication and self-expression. For the third eye chakra, indigo crystals like amethyst and sodalite can stimulate intuition and insight. Finally, for the crown chakra, violet and white crystals like clear quartz and amethyst can connect you to your higher self and promote spiritual awareness. To use crystals for chakra healing, you can carry them with you, wear them as jewelry, or place them on your body during meditation. For a more focused practice, lie down and place a corresponding crystal on each chakra. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, visualizing the energy of the crystal balancing and aligning your chakras. Spend a few minutes focusing on each chakra, allowing the crystal's energy to penetrate and heal. Aromatherapy uses essential oils to influence your chakras and promote balance. Each essential oil has unique properties that resonate with specific chakras, helping to align and harmonize them. For the root chakra, grounding oils like patchouli and cedarwood are beneficial. These oils can help you feel stable and secure. The sacral chakra resonates with sensual oils like ylang ylang and sweet orange, which can enhance creativity and emotional balance. For the solar plexus chakra, invigorating oils like lemon and ginger can boost self-confidence and personal power. Heart-opening oils like rose and geranium are excellent for the heart chakra, promoting love and compassion. The throat chakra is associated with soothing oils like peppermint and eucalyptus, which enhance communication and self-expression. For the third eye chakra, calming oils like lavender and frankincense can stimulate intuition and insight. Finally, for the crown chakra, spiritual oils like sandalwood and myrrh can connect you to your higher self and promote spiritual awareness. To use essential oils for chakra healing, you can diffuse them in your home, add a few drops to a bath, or apply them directly to your skin. For a more focused practice, apply a drop of oil to each chakra point and gently massage it in. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, visualizing the energy of the oil balancing and aligning your chakras. Spend a few minutes focusing on each chakra, allowing the oil's energy to penetrate and heal. Your diet plays a crucial role in maintaining balanced chakras. Eating a variety of nutritious foods can support each chakra and promote overall well-being. For the root chakra, grounding foods like root vegetables, carrots, potatoes, beets, and proteins, beans, nuts, lean meats, are beneficial. These foods can help you feel stable and secure. The sacral chakra resonates with hydrating foods like water-rich fruits, oranges, melons, berries, and healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, which can enhance creativity and emotional balance. For the solar plexus chakra, energizing foods like complex carbohydrates, whole grains, oats, brown rice, and yellow fruits and vegetables, bananas, corn, lemons, can boost self-confidence and personal power. Heart-nourishing foods like green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, and antioxidant-rich fruits, berries, kiwi, apples, are excellent for the heart chakra, promoting love and compassion. The throat chakra is associated with hydrating and soothing foods like herbal teas, water, and fruits that promote saliva production, apples, pears, peaches. For the third eye chakra, brain-boosting foods like dark chocolate, nuts, seeds, and purple fruits and vegetables, blueberries, grapes, eggplant, can stimulate intuition and insight. Finally, for the crown chakra, cleansing and purifying foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water can connect you to your higher self and promote spiritual awareness. Mindful eating is also essential for maintaining balanced chakras. Take the time to savor each bite, chew slowly, and appreciate the flavors and textures of your food. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also crucial for maintaining energy flow and overall well-being. Affirmations are powerful statements that can reprogram your subconscious mind and promote chakra balance. By repeating positive affirmations, you can shift your mindset and energy, enhancing your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. For the root chakra, affirmations like "I am safe and secure" and "I am grounded and stable" can help you feel more connected to the earth. The sacral chakra resonates with affirmations like "I am creative and passionate, and I honor my emotions and feelings." For the solar plexus chakra, affirmations like "I am confident and powerful, and I am worthy of success" can boost your self-esteem and personal power. Heart-centered affirmations like "I am loved and loving, and I forgive myself and others" are excellent for the heart chakra, promoting love and compassion. The throat chakra is associated with affirmations like "I express myself clearly and confidently," and "I speak my truth with love." For the third eye chakra, affirmations like "I trust my intuition" and "I am open to inner wisdom" can stimulate insight and clarity. Finally, for the crown chakra, affirmations like "I am connected to the divine" and "I am one with the universe" can enhance your spiritual awareness. To use affirmations for chakra healing, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Begin repeating the affirmations for each chakra, focusing on the corresponding energy center. Visualize the chakra becoming balanced and aligned as you repeat the affirmations. Spend a few minutes on each chakra, allowing the positive energy of the affirmations to penetrate and heal. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help balance your chakras by using the power of your mind to influence your energy centers. By imagining specific images and scenarios, you can promote healing and alignment in your chakras. To practice visualization, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Begin by visualizing a bright light at the base of your spine, representing the root chakra. Imagine this light spinning and expanding, becoming vibrant and balanced. Move your focus up to the sacral chakra, visualizing an orange light spinning and growing stronger. Continue this process for each chakra, moving up the spine to the solar plexus chakra, yellow light, the heart chakra, green light, the throat chakra, blue light, the third eye chakra, indigo light, and finally, the crown chakra, violet light. As you visualize each chakra, imagine any blockages or negative energy being released and replaced with positive, healing energy. See the light of each chakra becoming brighter and more balanced. Spend a few minutes focusing on each chakra, allowing the visualization to penetrate and heal. Visualization can also be combined with other techniques, such as meditation or sound healing, for a more powerful effect. By using the power of your mind to influence your energy centers, you can achieve a state of balance and harmony in your chakras. In this video, we have explored 8 powerful techniques to balance your chakras: meditation, yoga, sound healing, crystals, aromatherapy, diet and nutrition, affirmations, and visualization. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can achieve a state of balance and harmony in your energy centers, leading to improved physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Balancing your chakras is a continuous process that requires regular practice and dedication. Remember to be patient with yourself and listen to your body. Each technique offers unique benefits, and you may find that some resonate more with you than others. The key is to find what works best for you and make it a part of your daily routine. We encourage you to share your experiences with these techniques in the comments below. Let us know how they have helped you achieve balance and harmony in your life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on spiritual growth and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a balanced and harmonious life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. For more resources and information on chakra healing, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. By following these detailed techniques, you can create a balanced and harmonious life, enhancing your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Remember, the journey to chakra balance is ongoing, and with regular practice you can achieve a state of equilibrium and inner peace.